favorite. I love the summertime. I love the warmer weather. I love that you can get your hands on fresh produce. I just love being able to get out and get active more. So today we're going to kind of hone into that excitement that I have and we're going to make a fresh fruit dip. This fruit dip is super simple, will only take you a couple minutes to whip up, and it's going to include some finely ground espresso beans. Our espresso has some fruity undertones to it, so I think that's going to be a really great addition to this. To make this, all you'll need is about a half a cup of French vanilla Greek yogurt, or vanilla Greek yogurt, whatever you can find. You can use a plant-based yogurt if you would prefer over a regular dairy yogurt as well. That will work perfectly. You'll also need a half a tablespoon of finely ground espresso. I've mentioned this in previous videos, but the Soya Bella machine is a perfect instrument to get that finely ground consistency that you want with those beans for recipes like this. And then also a teaspoon of honey. I am super fortunate that I have a nearby farmer who makes fresh honey, and this is going to be so good in this recipe. So you're just gonna take these three ingredients and we're gonna combine them in a bowl here. Of course, if you're making this like for a party or something like that, you can always double, triple, whatever this recipe to make it for a big crowd. I'm just gonna make a small batch here. There's that espresso. We're gonna mix the espresso and that vanilla yogurt really well here. If you want to use, a plain yogurt and add your own vanilla, you can also do that. Like usual, the possibilities here are endless. All right, that is well combined, and then I'm just gonna take that honey and drizzle it over the top, okay? Super sticky. Drizzling that, and that's it. You can also add things like cinnamon, a pinch of sea salt, different things like that to spice that up to your liking as well. And you're just gonna serve this with a plate of fresh fruit. That's it.